We're located in the South Avondale region next to Fishware Elementary School. We try to be an affordable, comprehensive wellness clinic. We want to do as much as we can for our clients while still trying to manage their problems as best we can. We are now accepting appointments. We used to be a walk-in only clinic. We still take walk-ins, but appointments are seen priority. We try to treat your pet like they're our pet and give them as much attention as they need and focus on their well-being. We're open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5:30.